Popular sunscreens. Will I skip it or will I buy it? So many of you voted on this. I had to do it. My ranking is in the end. And again, this is purely my framework, the way I judge sunscreens. You don't have to agree. This is just how I do my workings with sunscreens. Let's start. Dot & Key SPF 50 PA4+. So I've spoken about the sunscreen before. It uses the classic trio of octinoxate, avobenzone and octocrylene, plus titanium dioxide also. Are these bad? Not really, but they're older filter systems. And I personally prefer more modern, more photostable systems. I've used this before. It's very smooth, blends easily, sits well under makeup. But they've added multiple actives in this sunscreen. And honestly, I don't need my sunscreen to be a serum. I'd rather the money go into actually being a better sunscreen and getting better UV filters. So for me, it's a skip. Foxtail Glow SPF 50 PA4+. Now this one really caught my attention. It uses modern filters like Univol A+, Univol T150 and Tinosorb M. And that makes it already more photostable than basic avobenzone sunscreens. Also has silicones and silica in the base, so it's likely very lightweight and smoothing. Is it comedogenic? I could not find any ingredient which seemed comedogenic to me in this list. At this price point, this is pretty nice and I would buy this. Deconstruct Gel Sunscreen SPF 50 PA4+. Now this one's a reformulation. I saw a lot of people on the internet talking about it. It has Univol A+, Tinosorb S, Tinosorb M, Univol T150, no avobenzone, no octinoxate. This is a very stable, modern, broad-based spectrum system. Gel base and has lightweight ingredients, so probably it's good for oily skin and won't feel very heavy and greasy on the skin. From a protection standpoint, it is the strongest that we've reviewed till now. Buy it. Hyphen All I Need SPF 50 PA4+. Okay, so many people requested for it. They have also reformulated this one. It has Tinosorb S now alongside avobenzone and octinoxate. So yes, it's better than the very basic system, but still very heavily dependent on older filters. They've added ceramides, which is nice, but your sunscreen needs to be a sunscreen perfectly first, and then it can do other jobs. A lot of reviews say it feels slightly rich, so oily skin folks may not like this one. At this price point, I think there are stronger UV filter ingredients sunscreen available, so I'll skip it. Wishcare Niacinamide Oil Balance SPF 50 PA4+. Now this is a hybrid sunscreen, has avobenzone, octocrylene, zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. Has starch, silica and silicone, so clearly designed for oily skin so that these things can actually absorb the oil. But again, it has no modern next-gen UV filter, so for me it's a skip. If I rank purely on filter strength, Deconstruct comes first, then Foxtail and then the rest. I take my sunscreens very seriously. It's a protection product and so should you. Follow me for more reviews like these and tell me what to review next.